This is Zen Kishimoto with Network.tv, reporting from RSA conference in San Francisco. With me here is Andrew from Solera Networks. Hey Andrew, thank you very much for joining me.
Thank you.
Okay, well, what's the trend in network monitoring these days? I mean, when I was looking into this area, that was only like a packet capture, and the speed was only like 100 meg and 1 gig.
So the biggest trend in network analytics today is doing the actual analytics. It used to be that we were just recording the data and giving you an interface into that recorded information that was every piece of byte of data that's traveling over your network. Now we're able to use a deep packet inspection engine to analyze every packet as it's being recorded. We index a lot of the metadata about each of those packets, and we store that in a database for easy retrieval later, so that you can then, when you've decided that you've found something interesting, reconstruct a conversation between two computers and reassemble all of the files and data that has traveled over the network between those computers.
So with this new technology, what kind of problem can you find out?
So what's interesting is, because of the way that the DPI engine works, we can index all of these variables that sort of define information about a packet. So we can do things like search for certain MIME types that are commonly abused in the course of a drive-by download attack. Things like PDF files and Flash Swift files, and of course executable code. We can also identify countries and where traffic is either coming from or going to, and say, you're an American company, you're a technology company, you know that you have some valuable stuff. You might do things like search for files that are frequently used in drive-by download attacks, and traffic that comes from or destination of certain countries that you think might be interested in stealing your intellectual property. So say you're looking for executable files that come from Russia, China, Pakistan, all of these countries that we know have been the origin of a lot of attacks. And what happens is very rapidly it emerges a picture that there are certain things that are going on your network that you may not even have known were going on.
Well, thank you very much. And then just wondering, the speed of networking is getting to be like 1G to 10G to maybe 40 to 100. And the sophistication of hacking is going to grow tremendously. Are you guys ready?
Absolutely. I mean, the speed of the network is really irrelevant. What it comes down to is having the knowledge to be able to analyze what's going on, and the intelligence in the system that allows you to do that study and filtering down of all of that network traffic rapidly and finding exactly what you're looking for. It's the hunt for the needle in the haystack. The haystack's getting bigger, but there's still only the little needle.
That's a good analogy. Thank you very much, Andrew.
Thank you.
This was Zen Kishimoto. Be sure to sign in, network.tv.